Let's explore 7 powerful fasting methods from the ancient world and how you can practice them right now, no matter where you live. The first method is one you've probably heard of, intermittent fasting. But did you know it was practiced by the great thinkers of ancient Greece? Philosophers like Plato, Socrates, and even Hippocrates, the father of medicine, fasted regularly. They believed fasting cleared the mind, sharpened thinking, and promoted inner balance. How to do it today? Try the 16.8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Example, eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., fast the rest of the time. Or try 5.2 fasting. Eat normally for 5 days and eat very light, 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Benefits: helps with weight loss, balances insulin, reduces cravings, improves focus. Pro tip: drink water, herbal teas, and black coffee during your fasting hours. Stay hydrated. In ancient spiritual traditions, fasting often went deeper. No food, no water. This is known as dry fasting. Practiced during Ramadan by Muslims, Lent by Christians, and by Sufi mystics and monks, dry fasting was used for purification, prayer, and deep reflection. How to do it today? Try 12 to 16 hours of dry fasting once a week or once a month. Example, stop eating and drinking at 8 p.m. Break your dry fast around 12 p.m. the next day. Benefits: when done carefully, cleans damaged cells, strengthens immune function, teaches self-control. Caution: dry fasting is intense. Don't do it for long periods. Avoid if you're pregnant, sick, or on medication. Modern tip: use dry fasting as a spiritual reset. Pair it with meditation or journaling. Weekly fasting, inspired by Buddhism and Jainism. In Buddhist and Jain traditions, fasting isn't about punishing the body, it's about calming it. Monks often fasted on lunar days or specific weekdays to purify the mind and body. Some even practice silence during fasts to deepen awareness. How to do it today? Pick one day a week, like Sunday or Monday, and do a water-only fast for 24 hours. Or try a light fast, fruits, herbal teas, and warm broths only. Benefits: detox for the digestive system, mental clarity, builds discipline. Modern tip: use your weekly fasting day to unplug, read, rest, or spend time in nature. Ayurvedic fasting. From ancient India, Ayurveda, the ancient Indian science of life, offers a unique approach to fasting. It says, fasting is medicine, but the right fast for the right body. Ayurveda sees each person as a mix of 3 energies, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. How to do it today? Kapha types, heavier build, can do longer fasts with herbal teas. Pitta types, intense, fiery, should do gentle fasts, avoid overheating. Vata types, thin, anxious, should fast lightly, maybe just skip dinner. Ayurveda recommends seasonal fasting too, like a 3-day cleanse at the change of seasons. Benefits: resets digestion, reduces toxins, brings balance to mind and body. Modern tip: drink warm cumin or ginger water during your fast. Break the fast with light foods like rice porridge. Mono-fasting, inspired by Taoist traditions. In ancient China, Taoist monks believed in fasting, not by avoiding food entirely, but by eating only one food. This is called mono-fasting. They might eat only rice, barley, or wild herbs for days, believing it simplified digestion and calmed the spirit. How to do it today? Choose one easy-to-digest food: boiled rice, papaya, apples, or bone broth. Eat only that for 1 to 3 days. Add herbal teas if needed. Benefits: gives your gut a break, reduces cravings, increases mindfulness. Modern tip: use mono-fasting after a holiday or heavy weekend to reset your body gently. Sunrise to sunset fasting is deeply rooted in Islamic and Sufi practices, especially during Ramadan. From dawn till dusk, no food, no drink. But at sunset, meals are shared, Prayers are offered and hearts are opened. How to do it today. Pick 1 or 2 days a week to eat only after sunset. Begin your fast at sunrise and break it with a light meal after sunset. Benefits: builds patience and gratitude, promotes metabolic health, strengthens community and family bonds. Modern tip: break your fast gently with dates, fruit, or soup. Avoid overeating. Extended fasts. For many Native American and Indigenous cultures, fasting was part of vision quests. Young people would go into nature, fast for 2-4 days, and return with clarity, purpose, and spiritual insights. How to do it today. Only try extended fasts, 48 to 72 hours, after experience with shorter fasts. Always consult a doctor if you have medical conditions. Do it in a peaceful environment. Rest, meditate, reflect. Benefits: deep cellular healing, enhanced mental clarity, emotional detox. Modern tip: keep a journal. Reflect on your thoughts and dreams during the fast. Use this time to reset deeply. Ancient fasting practices weren't backed by labs, but today science is catching up. Studies now show fasting can cell recycling, improve brain function, lower inflammation, protect against diabetes, Alzheimer's, and even some cancers. It turns out our ancestors were right all along. If you're new to fasting, here's how to begin. 1. Start with 12 hours. Stop eating after dinner and have breakfast a bit later. 2. Drink plenty of water. 3. Choose one method that fits your lifestyle. 4. Avoid fasting if you're pregnant, underweight, or on strong medications. 5. Always listen to your body. Fasting is a tool, not a punishment. Use it with care. In a world full of noise, distractions, and overconsumption, fasting is a quiet return to balance. It connects us to ancient wisdom and offers a path forward. Whether you fast for health, clarity, or faith, do it with intention. Do it with respect. Remember, you're not just skipping a meal, you're stepping into a practice that's thousands of years old, and the results, they may surprise you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.